Excuse me.
Hiya.
Are you Muslim?
Yes, I am.
Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Are you fasting today?
Yes.
You fasting?
Yeah.
Basically, I've got a challenge for you. There is a camera right here. I'm doing
Okay.
YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Basically, you got to win an iPhone 12 Pro Max if you do one thing.
What's that?
The thing is, you have to drink some water, break your fast. The water is right
Are
here.
you crazy?
No, I'm not crazy. It's just
can't
it's for
do
an
that.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
I can't do that. It's haram. I'm fasting. You asked me, right?
Yeah.
You just asked me. Am
Yeah,
I
but
fasting?
it's just for one day. It's like just
for-
drink a
it's
little
not
bit
for
of
one
water
day. You
for
are instigating me
iPhone
to
12
break my
Pro
fast.
Max.
No, I can't do that. Sorry.
Just a little
You
bit
can't
of
ask a
water.
Muslim if he's fasting to break his fast.
Excuse
you
me?
know? No,
Excuse
you
me?
can't do that.
What's up?
Arabic, Muslim.
Yes, I'm Muslim. What's up? You okay?
Basically, I've got a challenge
what
for
are
you.
you saying?
Why the camera
This
like
is-
See what she's saying.
What's up?
She's asking me to
I'm
break
doing
my
an.
fast.
You're Muslim?
I am.
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Walaikum
Okay.
salam. Yes,
You fasting today?
Yes, I am. Alhamdulillah.
Perfect. I'm doing YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, it's okay. I don't mind.
Okay. Basically, I've got a challenge for you. I've got here an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yeah, which can be yours in the next 10 minutes if you
Really?
do one thing.
Really? I would do anything
She
for
gonna
iPhone.
ask you for the craziest thing. You-
What?
Okay, I got here a bottle of water.
Yeah.
If you drink it, hold it.
He's not gonna do it. He's a Muslim.
We don't know yet.
For an iPhone.
For an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
If I break
in front
my
of the
phone?
camera. Yes. Just a little bit of water.
Whoa.
Come
You
on.
didn't do it.
Did you fast?
I know you're not gonna do it as well. You are Arabic, a good Muslim, right?
Alhamdulillah, but maybe for an iPhone, man.
Look.
What's
Really?
wrong with you?
For you.
You can't do it.
Fucking iPhone, really? Just can I see it?
Yeah. Careful.
Whoa.
Really gonna do it?
Fucking no. How many gigabytes?
Nah,
100.
he's kidding. He's not gonna do it.
You must.
Whoa.
If you want, it can be
So-
yours. I promise.
Are you sure?
I promise.
Definitely. If I drink water, you will
in
give it
front
to
of
me.
the camera. I'm
Really?
Yes.
I
you
would
gonna
do
do
it. Yes, I would do it, bro.
Bro, are you crazy?
What do you
Are
mean?
you fasting?
I am fasting, yes.
So why are you drinking water just for the?
I want to
Just for
break
the
my
phone?
for just for one day, man.
Just
I
for
break
the
my
phone?
fast. Yes.
Are you crazy?
I just give it to me, please. Is he with you?
No, I don't know him.
Exactly.
I just
So
asked
you
him
challenging
as
me, eh?
Yes.
Okay, I want to do the challenge. Give me, give me,
Let
man.
him
What
do
you
the
doing?
challenge.
You really gonna drink the water?
Yes.
And break your fast?
Yes.
It's up to you. You can't do it, by the way. It's haram, mate.
What?
Yeah, it's haram. Don't
Why?
do it.
Why are you taking the bottle of water, man? Why did you?
Don't do it.
Why? Why did you throw the? Are you challenging me or what? How did you do this? How this challenge? Why did you spill the water, man? Why did you spill the water? Who?
You can drink the water from here. if you
Yes.
want.
Okay,
Just
I drink.
For the phone.
I drink the water. Okay,
Drink
can I drink it from
Yes, you can lick it.
Drink it. Lick it, mate.
you? Are you for real, man?
Come on.
Why did you have to do this? Can I just do like this? and-
Yes. Yeah, you have to do it with 2 fingers.
Do it, mate.
If I do like to drink from
If
just
you
like
do-
this,
Egg.
Can't do that, mate.
why not?
You have to
Bro,
do
are
it.
you crazy?
Why are you pushing me, man?
Are you
What?
crazy?
Man, I was just
Dirty water.
so what? What's your problem,
You
man?
can't do it.
Oh,
You're doing it for the mobile.
yeah, I win an iPhone, man. For iPhone, I do anything, man.
For you.
Let me just do it, bro. What's wrong with you,
You're
man?
gonna break the fast for your iPhone.
Yes.
Are you crazy?
لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
It's up to you.
Wallah, you are very nice, man. Basically, I am with her. I am with her, and this is
What do you
we just doing YouTube video, and I am
Social
with her.
experiment.
Social experiment. Brother, wallahi,
this
very
iPhone
good.
is for
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. But because you defense me, this iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of the camera, gift for you.
Really?
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wallahi, you didn't let me drink water, man. Wallahi, you're
I'm
very good
sorry
Muslim.
because it's haram, bro.
It's haram. Wallahi,
You
you're
can't
the
do
best,
it.
man.
You
Wallahi,
can't do it.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. يا
If you're
جماعة
fasting, you can't do it.
يا جماعة الزلمة صايم مثل ما شفنا كيف كانت ردة فعله ما خلاني اشرب مي قلت له انا بدي اشرب مي من هون قال لي لا يعني سبحان الله يا جماعة والله شوفوا كبل لي الميات هلا شوف بدنا نجيب مي للتجربة الثانية.
I can't
Congratulations
believe it.
for
Thank
you.
you so much.
Don't worry, man. Thank you, man. Do you want this video
Sorry
to be on
if I hurt
YouTube?
you.
Don't worry, brother. Do you want this video to be on YouTube?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you so much. يلا خلينا نشوف الثاني يا جماعة.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
باي. ندور على غير شخص يا جماعة. His reaction, oh my god. ردة فعله يا جماعة ذبحني والله.